Hi guys, welcome back. In today's stock deep dive, we are talking about one telecom stock that is about to go up. In fact, it has gone up quite a bit and it's going to go even higher, right? So smash the like for this video and also subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this, right? Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into this one stock. What is this one stock? It's Verizon, right? Okay, stock symbol VZ, right? Okay, why is it that going to go even higher in terms of price? I'm going to be sharing with you the fundamental side, the basic fundamentals side, and also give you my take on the technical side, which I specialize in, right? Okay, so a little bit about me. I'm a full-time trader for more than 10 over years, and I have more than 20 over years of experience trading the markets. And I work with over 20,000 traders all over the world. And I'm the founder of Winning Trader and author of the book Trading Secrets that you see on your screen, right? Okay, so if you do want to get this book, right, which contains insights of my 20 over years of trading, lessons that I learned in these 20 over years, you can actually get a free copy of this book under the link that you see there. It's a link to register for my free workshop, free training, where I share with you the proprietary strategy that I use to analyze the market, right? Okay, to a high degree of accuracy, right? Okay, so if you like that, then do register for my workshop and attend, and you will get a free copy of my workbook, right? Okay, without further ado, let's jump right into Verizon, right? Okay, communication. It is a major American company, telecommunication giant that provides wireless 4G, 5G, internet as well, video services to consumers and businesses and even government clients, right? Okay. So what is the business model? The business model is basically wireless phone services. Verizon sells mobile plans to over 100 million customers, right, for calls, texts, and data. Now, they also offer home internet options, right, through fiber lines, and Verizon delivers super fast internet to homes. And their business network do help, right? Okay, Verizon built private networks for companies to connect devices like machines and stores, right? And in 2025, they did focus on cost saving and cost cutting as well, right? Verizon actually cutting extra costs by simplifying how they run things, right? Through using AI and customer support, right? Okay. Why Verizon, right? Okay. Why Verizon is because Verizon recently acquired Frontier, right? Okay. And it expands its fiber network to accelerate offering of premium broadband, right? Okay, to more customer nationwide. And their strategic positioning in 2025, the telecom landscape, gives them a very good competitive edge, right? Okay, demand for 5G private network is way better also, right? Okay, so let's talk about the basic fundamental bull case and the bear case, why it is supposed to go up or stay down, right? Okay, so the bull case is basically is undervalued shares at current price. Verizon trades really cheap compared with its earnings, right? And it has a very high 7% dividend yield, right? Okay, drawing a lot of income seekers, right? I suppose that coming in 2026, more people will do that also, right? Okay, and it has a 5G leadership edge, right? Verizon leads in 5G coverage, winning deals with phone makers and businesses for top speeds, right? And I think this is a very important thing, right? Why? Because as long as you lead in terms of the 5G, a lot of businesses, a lot of people, like even like for me, we will come to you and want to get a very stable, good coverage in terms of our 5G connection, right? Okay, and this is the reason why I also maintain my lines with Sintel, right? Okay. Now, steady cash strength as well, right? Steady cash strength, whereby it has 50 billion in yearly earnings before cost, right? Okay, which is fantastic, right? You have very strong cash position, right? Which can be used to pay for dividends or even cut their debts, right? Okay, and also their broadband wins, right? New fiber buys are set to grow home internet users by millions, right? Grabbing share from their rivals, which is growing their customer base, which is fantastic, right? Okay, these are all the bull cases, right? Okay, in a bull case, there's a bear case. Also, what are the cases that may not cause the stock price to go up, right? Okay, so maybe slow customer adds. Verizon phone user base is topping out at around 110 million, right? And every year, each year, because they are hitting a plateau, there are newer sign-ups, right? Okay, and they have rivals that might steal their customer with cheaper plans, right? Okay, and also tough competition, right? Cable films and new wireless players are fighting hard for the internet and phone spots to grab customers as well, right? Okay, and new spend risks are heavy cash spent on 5G and fiber network and infrastructure might not pay off as quickly if users don't quickly upgrade, right? Okay, from 4G to 5G, right? Okay, so I think all these bad cases is very negligible as technology progresses. Everyone will want to get 5G and upgrade themselves, right? Okay, to premium. So I'm going to give you my take on the technicals. What do I think on Verizon going forward, right? Okay, definitely is a buy, but why, right? Okay, so I'm going to use my trade to win strategy, a proprietary strategy that I use that you cannot find anywhere else, right? Except if you go for my free training that you see on your screen, register and attend. I will share with you how I use this strategy to analyze stocks to a high degree of accuracy, so that a lot of times I'm right than wrong, right? And a lot of times it does make a big move and give me very good massive profits as well, right? Okay, so if you are interested in that, then do register for the training, right? Okay, but without further ado, let's just jump right in to Verizon. Basically on the daily time frame, you can see over here is basically very straightforward in the sense that it has been not moving much, right? Okay, for the past 1-2 years, right? You can see zigzag all the way within a range of like $30 to $45, $46, right? Okay, for a very long time, right? I think it is set to change, right? And looking at the day time frame doesn't tell us much, so we will upgrade to the weekly time frame. We can see very clearly that it has turned uptrend, and recent times stagnant a little bit, right? We call it a consolidation phase, right? It was in recent times, this 1-2 years, it is actually in a consolidation phase, right? Okay, and that's why you can see from here, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, right? Okay, so basically in a range bound kind of movement, not moving much, right? This previously there was a strong dip way back in COVID period, right? Okay, there was a strong dip, and after that it bounced quite strongly in 2023, right? When the start of the bull run, but after that pretty much stagnant, right? So what are we looking at in terms of the why is it bullish, right? Okay, because I think it has consolidated enough, and it has established an uptrend since like 1.5 years ago, but yet it still didn't move out much. So I'm targeting that this might have a potential to hit $50 or $60, especially if you look at the 4 monthly time frame, right? The chart looks really good for it to move higher. Even the 4 monthly time frame shows that it has corrected quite a bit, and it is time, based on my trade to win formula, right? This is a very bullish sign for it to go higher. In fact, there's an early 2026, or even towards the mid of 2026, it might have already touched $50 and higher, right? Break above that, and I suspect that in time to come, it might even break above or touch $60, right? Okay, so of course, that based on this, what I see, right? Okay, with the upside potential so much higher than the downside potential, I'm pretty bullish on this one, and I do see it going much higher. Maybe for the short term, immediately the target is around 46, break above 46 or even $48, right? Okay, and after that it might continue to climb and break and touch above $50, right? Okay, and I say even if it dips a little bit, I will look for opportunity and a good price point to actually get in. I would say very unlikely it might touch $30 again, right? Okay, but if it does, I'll be very happy, right? Because I can buy it even cheaper. So that's all from me on the technical side on VZAC. Overall, pretty bullish. Definitely, I have put my money on it, and I hope that by sharing this with you, you can make some money in 2026 looking at this stock, right? Okay, but of course, do your own due diligence. I don't know your profile, right? This may be suitable for you, it may not be suitable for you, right? Okay, but for me, I have analyzed it, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I have venture into this stock, and hopefully, right, a $10 appreciation on a $40 stock is a very good 25% appreciation also, right? Okay, much better performance than any other vehicle, well, whether it's bank fixed deposit or things like that, right? Okay, so and then it's a pretty good thing is that it is a pretty low price stock, right? Okay, it's only $40 over, not that those $100-$200 shares dollars per share, right? Okay, so this is not very expensive, very affordable. Even 100 shares is only costing $4,000, right? Okay, so thank you so much, and I will switch back to my slides, and I'll wrap up with sharing with you. If you want to go through our daily market updates, right? Do sign up for and join our Telegram, right? We do every day give you daily market updates on what the market has happened, right? Okay. And if you like to have some daily action steps, right? You can join our mailing list where we share with you what are the daily action steps that you should take, right? Okay. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, right? Okay. And that's all from me. May the profits be with you, and hope to see you soon in my next video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. I'll leave you here, and may the profits be with you, and all the best to your trading and investing.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.